Hello. Today I am going to feature the Exair air wipes and go over in detail the materials of construction to provide you a comprehensive comparison of the air wipe options. The air wipes provide a uniform 360-degree airstream that is ideal for blow-off, drying, cleaning, and cooling of pipe, cable, wire, extruded shapes, and other continuous materials. The air wipes are available in sizes ranging from 3/8 to 11 inches in diameter to meet just about any application. Exair offers 3 air wipe options, the standard air wipe and 2 styles of the super air wipe. Let's review the materials of construction for the 3 options. This is a 2-inch aluminum standard air wipe. The body is an aluminum construction. The screws are black oxide coated alloy steel. There is an internal shim that sets the air gap, and it is a polyester polymer. On air wipes up to 4 inches in diameter, a coupling air hose is included and is made of PVC with brass fittings. The standard air wipe is best suited for use in non-corrosive environments where temperatures do not exceed 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we have a 2-inch aluminum super air wipe. The body is an aluminum construction. The screws and the shim material are stainless steel. On units that are 4-inch and smaller, the included coupling hose is stainless steel wire braided with brass fittings. The aluminum super air wipe is best suited for use in non-corrosive environments where temperatures do not exceed 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And lastly, we have a 2-inch stainless steel super air wipe. The body is a stainless steel construction. The screws and the shim material are stainless steel. On units that are 4-inch and smaller, the included coupling hose is stainless steel wire braided with stainless steel fittings. The stainless steel super air wipe has the best corrosion resistance and can operate at temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. To summarize, refer to this table to review and compare the materials of construction for the 3 air wipe options. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about Exair air wipes or any Exair product, please contact an application engineer at 800-903-9247 and we'll be happy to assist you.